It was the morning of March 7th, 1914, when the small port of Durrës, still a modest coastal town on the Adriatic, awoke to the sound of cannons, church bells, and the rhythmic songs of men dressed in traditional Albanian garments. From the ship Taurus, under the flags of Europe, descended a tall, fair-haired man, Prince Wilhelm of Wied, a German noble chosen by the great powers to become the first sovereign of the newly created Albanian state. Only 16 months had passed since Albania had declared its independence from the Ottoman Empire. The country was still fragile, divided by tribes, religion, and foreign ambitions. Yet on that day, the people of Durrës gathered with a sense of hope and pride. The new prince, they believed, would bring order, peace, and recognition to their long-suffering land. Standing on a decorated balcony overlooking the crowd, with his wife, Princess Sophie, beside him, Prince Wied raised his hand. The soldiers saluted. The banners of Skanderbeg fluttered in the wind. And then, in the clear tones of a European aristocrat speaking in French, the diplomatic language of the time, he addressed his new subjects. Then, with calm authority, the prince began to speak, in French, the language of diplomacy and of Europe. And now, here is the speech delivered by Prince Wilhelm of Wied on that historic day when Albania greeted her first monarch. Albanians, it is with infinite joy that I have accepted the throne of Albania. I could not refuse the honor of governing a brave and chivalrous people, a people who have written glorious pages in the history of Christian Europe. I have come here with the ardent desire to show Europe that this new Albania and the heroes who inhabit it deserve their rightful place, that they are capable of embracing Western civilization and the light of progress, which that same Europe owes in part to their valor. From the moment I set foot upon the sacred soil of my new homeland, I was determined to work for its regeneration. But a band of brigands, encouraged by hidden influences, have sought to oppose this noble desire and its realization. I speak of the unfortunate uprising that has recently broken out in the south of my kingdom. My heart bleeds for this. I will devote all my efforts to ending this pernicious insurrection. With the help of my people, a people who despise death as much as they love the sacred soil of their fatherland, I am confident that soon we shall free Albania from these barbarous hordes and pitiless assassins who respect neither life nor the homes of my faithful subjects in the south of the kingdom. Strong in our rights and supported by the benevolent friendship of the civilized world, I shall myself march, if necessary, to restore order and peace. My whole heart and strength will be devoted to liberating my dear Albania from her enemies. Let us all be guided by sentiments of honor and humanity. Albanians, be certain that, through your proverbial courage and the sanctity of our cause, divine providence will grant us victory as well as the peace so necessary for our national rebirth. Be sure that my heart will always beat with yours, for the happiness and glory of Albania. Prince Wilhelm of Wied, Durrës, March 7th, 1914. Those words, spoken on the balcony of Durrës, echoed over the Adriatic breeze, carried by interpreters and repeated among the cheering crowds below. For a fleeting moment, the dream of a united Albania seemed real. A European prince, a sovereign crown, a fragile state standing at the edge of history. But destiny was less kind. Within weeks, revolts erupted across the south. Factions clashed, foreign powers interfered, and the new prince found himself surrounded not by loyal subjects, but by betrayal and chaos. By September 1914, barely 6 months after his arrival, Prince Wied left Albania under pressure, the sound of rebellion behind him, and the world already plunging into war. His reign was short, yet his words remain, written in his own hand, stained with ink and time, a final glimpse of what might have been, a monarch's dream of unity, honor, and civilization for a nation still struggling to define itself. Another truth forgotten, another story uncovered by the Black Folder.